understanding what Starkey does, most importantly, the area of program and meeting hearing aid. I just want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for the fantastic training session. Your hard work and dedication truly made a difference, and I gained a valuable insights. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, the effort, and everything. Thank you very much. I will promise we're going to make it.
Anthony Audu, Starkey, hospital in Nigeria. This is an eye opener for me because Starkey hearing technology is the only brand, the only manufacturer that has come to do something like this. So this is a wonderful experience for us as an organizer and a beneficiary, Starkey. So I want to thank Starkey Africa team for their, and I hope that this relationship will continue to grow further and further. This is a starting point. Hope to do more for us as people in Nigeria and do more also for Starkey. Thank you, Starkey Africa team.
I'm Precious Gullis Monchit from Nigeria. I'm an audiologist. I heard about Starkey, but my coming to this program, it was wow because I learned a lot about Starkey. I heard about hearing aid programming, but I don't have the idea. But my coming to this program, I have the idea. In fact, I even know how to do it on my own without any assistance. So I thank you, Starkey. I love you. And the feeding, the accommodation, I really appreciate. And my lovely Starkey here. Thank you, Starkey.
Well done. My name is Naineche. I dey talk to now from Nigeria, where in conjunction with Starkey, come train 47 audiologists all over Nigeria. Not be only audiologists come, ENT doctors, other professional when they related to hearing different. Now, this network one we get when Starkey distribution, supply, and fitting of hearing aid don't increase fast ever when it is Nigeria. So we thank Starkey where they carry that we come to this training. We thank all the participants who come to this training.
Greetings from Abuja. My name is Rosalind Dagwa. I am the sales manager for Starkey Africa. We've had an incredible time training 47 participants, audiologists and ENT doctors. And we had professors in the house as well. All I can say is thank you, Nigeria. And we truly, truly look forward to actually seeing the manifestations that are going to come from here. And for being ready for the training and just being there and learning. And you expect tremendous support from us as Starkey Africa. Thank you so much.
Hi and hello, Starkey fraternity. We are so delighted to wind up the events in Abuja, Nigeria. We've had a sensational time training these wonderful people. I have loved their teachable attitude. I have loved how much they're excited for the future and whatever comes. At the end of the day, we will be glad that we were in Nigeria. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking forward to the good things that will be coming from Nigeria. Thank you all very much, and we hope to see you next time.